We are now in Lake Victoria, which is the second largest freshwater lake in the world after Lake Superior in South America, and it's the largest lake in Africa, shared by 3 East African countries. That's Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. But now we are heading to the port where the ferry and ship docks when they come from Mwanza in Tanzania and Kisumu in Kenya. Then there is also a penetration of the railway line whereby the train comes there, they offload and unload the goods when they take to Entebbe, to Mwanza in Tanzania, Kisumu in Kenya, and then other whatever. So we also have a peninsula around here. Behind of it is where there's the biggest part of the lake. So that's the direction of the lake. So you go behind, you just branch where the hill ends, you see the biggest part of the lake. You see like a sea. You can move like for 40 miles, you only see the sky covering the water. So here the water is stagnant, and when the engine is off, we cannot move anymore. We just remain in one position. So when you go back the river, no need of the engine. The current of water can still take the boat. That means we can also take 3 months to go to Egypt without a passport.
Ah, that's good.
And on the other side, we have the prison for juveniles. In simple terms, you can also call it the University of Understanding. Yeah, if you don't want to understand, when you are taken there, you can understand.
Yeah, that's what happens when you go to Egypt without paying the border or getting your passport stamp.